Well, good afternoon. This is Alan Jimenez with U.S. Prime Lending, and today's tip is about the stocks and keeping a healthy portfolio. Now, stocks today are at all-time high of 25,000. Dow Jones and the S&P is extremely high as well, record hitting. So what does that mean for commercial real estate investors such as yourself and me? One thing for certain that we know for certain is going to happen, the rates will go up, which will drive your ROI down. Your cash in your pocket will be decreased because your payments are higher, your debt service. So that's one thing to look at. If you're thinking about buying or refinance, now is the time to lock in, talk to your lender or me. Take care of that immediately. Now, secondly, you want to have a healthy portfolio of which I call the 30-30-40 rule. You want to have 30% high risk, 30% medium risk, and then you want to have the remaining 40% very low risk. And low risk is like Pepsi, Home Depot, big company, Disney, things that just have a moderate increase over time, medium risk. Some maybe just something that maybe a medium startup that started about 10 years ago that has a nice portfolio or returns. Then you want to have high risk, maybe such as Bitcoins and new startups that you look into or have some tips. You want to have a mix. You can also have mix, of course, between stocks, in investment terminology, the stocks and the real estate, REIT, REIT. So you can have a mix of both. Now, the difference between the two is, of course, real estate can't be sold very quickly. So you usually have to hold that for a amount of time, especially at least 1 year, not to be heavily taxed on. So there's some benefits and some disadvantages to having between real estate and stocks, and that's just a whole story on its own. But that's my real estate tip for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have any, of course, any kind of commercial financing needs, I'd love to take care of that. If you need to buy a commercial piece of real estate, please let me. I'm a real estate broker and a mortgage broker, so please reach out to me, 832-305-7653. Have a good one. Go make some money.